first appeal.
What are we doing?
We're filing appeals today, and the first appeal is a appeal Susan is making where she has the right to defend herself, and she was denied that right. And the second appeal is that she didn't receive the paperwork that was used in court 10 days prior, so she had no prior knowledge of what was going to be discussed, so she couldn't prepare anything or have her lawyer prepare anything in her own defense. She was not allowed to avail herself of her rights in the judicial system, so we are filing appeals. Now, the clerk of the court most likely is going to give us a hard time. And if that happens, we have what is called a file on demand notice. It says, I demand that the following: bill of accounting, bill of discovery, notice and demand of abatement, and the notice refusal for cause without dishonor to the Los Angeles, Edmond County, Edelman Children's Courthouse, Superior Court, Clerk's Office personnel. USC 1512 states, whoever knowingly uses, intimidates, threatens, or corruptly persuades another person or attempts to do so, or engages in misleading conduct towards another person with the intent to influence, delay, prevent the testimony of any person or official proceedings, cause or induce any person to A, withhold testimony or withhold a record, document, or other objects from any official proceeding. That's the point that we're filing on. And the second point is that the filed or deposited with any clerk or officer of the Court of the United States in any public office with any judicial or public officer of the United States. We're saying that the clerk's office has an obligation to accept whatever paperwork is presented before them. It is not their duty to censor it. It's accepted and moved on. The fine for these two laws, if they choose to violate, is $200,000 and 20 years in jail.
Sounds good to me. Let's see what happens.
If they refuse to allow it, then we're going to request that we're going to demand that they put this on the record, on the court of record. So.